Hey, good morning. I want to tell you some short story about myself. Introduce myself. My name is Taras. I'm Ukrainian guy. Almost 2 years. I'm in United States. I moved from Ukraine because of war with Russia, and me and my family here. I never did garage door. So today I'm gonna install a LiftMaster model 84505R. Powered by my queue. So which it means you can upload some app on your phone and use your phone for operate garage door. You can see who comes to your house, who opens the door. So the rail system, the rail belt one, that looks like inside the box. Here we go. In this case, a LiftMaster already assembled, so you just need to cut a ziplock or not zip. I'm not sure is that correct angle, so you can put level on your rail, and you see we are absolutely not in level. We need to put our angle, our bolt a little higher. So connect wires with old wire, put new bracket with sensor on 6 inch above the flooring, somewhere here, and sensor from both sides should be the same level and look one each other. Okay, I will cover it later, or maybe now. So this tool, bandsaw, I guess the most helpful tools for garage door guys. I don't know, maybe I'm not right, but I like it. I like to cut angle iron so fast, so easy. I don't almost never use a grinder. Last point, we need to put stickers, safety stickers on a garage door section, which is required by safety. And yellow one on Spanish or on English language you can put next to wall mount bottom. Just in